all together one more time. Thank you so much. কি সুন্দর আনন্দের কথা কি এখানে এত বাঙালি সবাই বাংলায় কথা বলে. It feels like home. মানে you've always I felt that it was probably a home calling, but now once I'm here it does feel like home and I don't want to go. I don't want to go back to Mumbai. What do we do? এত সুন্দর গ্রিনারি, এত ভালোবাসা, এত সুন্দর খাবার, এত সুন্দর লোক, এত সুন্দর ভাষা. তা আমি একটা গান করছি যেটা তোমাদের ভালো লাগবে hopefully. Will you sing with me? Okay, let's do it. Let's all sing together and have a great time. Thank you so much for this. Prakash says you're my favorite playlist, Shreya. Thank you, my dear. I love you. Thank you so much. Hi. So many songs I want to sing for you. It was hard for me to select, so I got a lot of songs together.